Okay. And do you have explosive
explosive
material use and handling?
explosive magazine, use and handling procedure.
I mean, say
Use and handling procedure, you can put it.
and controlled use, right? Controlled use.
Controlled use.
And restricted. What do you say? Trend stuff you have taken. Do you also have some permit, special permit to handle the explosive material?
This it is covered under WMS procedure.
Okay. A warning signboard is there. I think we have covered all.
Radio silence. You can put radio silence is there.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, communication radio silence while handling.
Radio communication. Oh, very good.
You can mention radio silence as well as
radio silence.
Silence.
How do you spell?
Silence, like radio silence. When arming the gun, you need to go for need to switch off the high frequency radios. And also mention RF immune explosive system.
RF immune, huh?
Yeah, on the islands, on Upper Zakum Sarb Islands, that is the procedure we follow because we cannot control all the mobiles and also RF immune explosive devices because it's difficult to control the mobiles around. Explosive devices. No, not communication, explosive devices.
Oh, okay. Okay. So guys, for this, I think we have got sufficient control for this thing. So what we have done, we have taken R1, we have done R2, we have done R3, we have done R4, we have done R5, we have done R6, we have done R7, we have done R8, we have done R9, we have done R10. So this assessment is done. See, initial risk for all are high, 4C and 5C. But this is naked risk, and we have got sufficient suitable
5C, Chairman, 5C is red. All 4C is high medium.
Yes. Yeah, correct.